Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new interesting question which says the trace of a square matrix is defined to be the sum of its diagonal entries. So, right now they are trying to define what is trace of a matrix. So, if anyone will ask you what is trace of a matrix, you will say that, sir, it is sum of elements of diagonal element this way. Okay, it is, and it should be square matrix. If A is 2 cross 2 matrix, so there is a matrix A which is 2 cross 2 such that their trace is 3. Okay, so they have already given you trace. So can I write x, y, z, 3 minus x? Just to be super slow and add the diagonal element, 100% you will get its trace as 3. Correct? I am not using the fourth variable because of this hint. Okay, and they are saying that the trace of a cube is minus 18, then the value of determinant of a. Okay, so first focus on determinant of a. So what is determinant of a? Determinant of a will become 3x minus x square minus yz. So this is your determinant. So you have to find out value of this thing. Now we have to try to reach till a cube. So before reaching a cube, we need who is a square. So x, z, y, 3 minus x. X, z, y, 3 minus x. So if you will multiply, you will multiply this element with this element, corresponding elements. So x square plus yz, then this with this. So you will get xy and then 3y minus xy. Okay, now this xy gone, so I will erase. Right now I have the facility, so I can do it. Now to get this element, we will multiply this with this. So it is xz and then plus 3z minus xz. So this xz gone, so we are left with 3z. Okay, now to get this element we need to multiply this with this. So it is yz and then it is 9 minus plus x square minus 6x. Correct? So I will write down this thing carefully. So it is yz plus 9 plus x square minus 6x. This is your a square. Now we need to find out a cube. So a cube is what? A square into a. So x square plus yz, then 3z, then 3y, then yz plus 9 plus x square minus 6x. And then we have a x, y, z, 3 minus x. Now be super slow and look at this. Read this statement again. The trace of a cube is minus 18. So you have got the trace of a cube. Trace of a cube means what? If you will multiply, you have to focus on trace, not everything. Means you have to focus on this element and this element only. So this is what? A11. A11 means first row with first column. And we have to find out trace, so I will focus on trace. Trace means addition of a11 plus a22. So focus on 1 1. So it is x cube, okay, plus x y z, and then plus x square z, and then x y, sorry, y z square. Is that okay? Means we have multiplied, wait, I did mistake. Wait, I'll be little bit careful. So I have to multiply this element with this element. Okay, so it is x cube plus xy z. Now we have to multiply this element with this element. So plus 3yz. So we got our a11. Now a22 means second row, second column. So 3z will be multiplied with y. So it is 3yz. Okay. Now let's multiply. So first we will multiply yz. So plus 3yz minus xyz, then 27, then 9x, then 3x square, then minus x cube, then 18x, then 6x square. So according to us trace is this, but according to them trace is minus 18. So let's write down minus 18. Now do the little bit of simplification. So xyz gone. Okay, then we have yz 3yz. Okay, this a cube, yes, x cube gone. Now I don't think you can neutralize anything else. So minus 18 equals 3yz 3yz. So 9yz. फिर this and this minus 27x. So we neutralize this. We neutralize this. And then we have 3x square, 6x square. So 3x square, 6x square is what? 9x square. Okay. And then we have plus 27. So plus 27. Now look at this. We are interested in finding 3x minus x square. 3x. Okay. We are interested in this now. 3x square minus 3x minus x square. Sorry. 3x minus x square minus yz. Just have patience. Can I divide both sides by 9? देखो क्या होगा. 9 2s are 18. This is yz minus 3x plus x square plus 3. अब now we will send this 5 3 that side. So it is minus 5 and it will be equal to yz minus 3x plus x square. Now look at this. We want minus x square. Here is plus x square. We want plus 3x. We have minus 3x. We want minus yz. We have plus yz. So can I multiply both sides by minus? So minus will become plus, plus will become minus. So we will be having 3x minus yz minus x square. And this is the determinant. Na? Just you can compare. So the determinant is 5. Hence the required value is 5. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.